These Air Jordan 4s will go up in price quick this year, here in 2023. Giveaway for the Travis Scott Black Phantom Jordan 1 lows. To enter this free giveaway, all you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Black Phantom Travis Scotts. Make sure you guys DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. So if you have to take a screenshot, take a picture, do what you gotta do, send me that DM. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in, because this giveaway ends in just a few days. You only have a few days left to get your giveaway entries in. I'll be picking the winner on March 2nd. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Travis Scott Black Phantoms. Good luck. My Sole Premise backpack holds 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers. I also have room for my clothes, laptop, chargers, a bunch more. Sole Premise also makes a smaller backpack that holds 1 to 2 pairs of sneakers. They also make luggage bags, all different types of travel bags. All their bags are TSA approved, so you can carry them with you on the airplane. No need to check them in. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise and use my promo code DannyMoore for 40% off your entire order. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Sole Premise makes bags, guys, to store and hold your sneakers. There's no other backpack on the market like it. Make sure you guys check them out. Link down below. Retail on this Air Jordan 4 was $210 on the men's, $150 for the grade school pairs. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, this video is just my opinion. I'm gonna tell you guys, in my opinion, these are going up. This is almost a guarantee, an easy call for me, in my opinion. I'm putting you guys on because I think that these are gonna go up and you guys can make money on this sneaker. If you guys have capital, I think this is a great sneaker investment to buy now. This is a grade school pair of Air Jordan 4s. Retail was $150. Market right now is around $170 to $180. Time to buy in 5 through 7. Why? Men's pairs. We have to talk about men's pairs because men's pairs right now are at around $250, $260. Retail was $210. I do believe men's pairs will go up. They will see around $320. However, I think it's a better investment, a safer purchase, a cheaper investment to get in on this pair of Jordan 4s in grade school sizes, because retail is $150, which means resale is around $170, $180 right now, and it's a cheaper investment. I think you guys will make more money in the long term on this pair of sneakers than the men's pairs. It's a better investment, and I don't think it'll take long for these to even go up in price. I definitely think it'll happen this year in grade school sizes, particularly the Air Jordan 4 Craft. Grade school 5 through 7Y, $170 to $180. I see them going up, easily hitting, without a doubt, $260, $280, potentially even touching $300. They're definitely going up. Market is too low. When you guys look at other Air Jordan 4s in grade school sizes, they are nowhere near these prices. At one time, most of them are going from anywhere from $220, and then you see them go up in just a few short months up to $280 to $300. I think in this case, we will see these go from $170 to $180 up to around probably $280, maybe potentially $300, but more so $280, $290 in that range. And I think it'll happen this year in just a few months. I don't think it'll take too long. So guys, if you have capital, buy them up. Hold on to them. If you're looking for a hold, this is the perfect hold right now, in my opinion. Why? Because market is so low. It is a Jordan 4. Don't forget, guys, this is a Jordan 4. Jordan 4s, the hype, the demand is through the roof. They're all selling out. They're doing well compared to Jordan 1s, where Jordan 1s are going on sale. They're sitting, right? So the Jordan 4 has really surpassed the Air Jordan 1 in terms of hype. It is the new hype shoe. It is the new shoe people want. And this colorway is clean. It's wearable. That's a huge thing. When it comes to investments, they need to be wearable sneakers. People need to wear them. The colorway needs to look good. It needs to be something that not only sneakerheads will wear, but your general outside consumer will also potentially look into wearing as well and spending the money on. So, guys, I think it's a very good, clean pair of Jordan 4s at the end of the day. They do have different materials on them, which is nice. It is the craft theme. The long-haired suede is nice. So I think it's a very nice, wearable, clean colorway. Quality is nice. Materials are nice. It's a Jordan 4, and the market is low. So I think it's a good time to go ahead and cop. If you're looking for a personal in grade school, 100%, because retail's $150. You're not paying much more over retail tax and shipping right now for grade school pairs. So it's a really good time to buy them. They just released, and I think it's a good time to go ahead and cop while the market is low. They're gonna go up. They're gonna see more profit on these, and it's just a good overall hold if you ask me. The Jordan 4 Craft, don't sleep too hard on them. I definitely think it'll take a few months, but we will see a nice price increase in grade school pairs. If you guys do not have capital, I do not recommend holding anything. Quick flip, move on to the next release, build up some capital. If you do have capital, go ahead and cop. I think it's a great investment. One of the best Jordan 4 investments, if you ask me, right now, in this current time, this is it. This is a good investment. Market's low. It's a good buy-in, and I see them going up. The Jordan 4 Craft, buy them before it's too late. Men's pairs, I do think will go up, but it'll take some more time than just a few months, and they're not going to see more than like 320. Return on investment's not going to be crazy like it will be here on grade school pairs. Jordan 4 Craft, grade school is where it's at. It's where it's at, guys. Buy them now before it's too late. I do expect prices to go up. I do have some black canvas 4s for sale. If you guys are interested, shoot me a DM over on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Prices are going to be below StockX, GOAT, anywhere else. I do have sizes 7.5 through 9.5 in the black canvas 4s, and 10 and 12, just one of each in military black 4s. So if you guys are interested, shoot me a DM. Pairs for sale. Just want to go ahead and let these go. So yeah, shoot me a DM if you guys need black canvas 4s or some military blacks. Make sure you guys enter the free giveaway for the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys DM me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Good luck on a free pair. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching.